April 8th, 2021. This one here, I got a job. I got a call for a shower valve that needs to be rebuilt. I believe it's a Symmons. And I usually got pretty good luck with pulling the seats out. Sometimes you put a lot of strain on these valves trying to get these seats out. I told the guy, I said, you know, there's no guarantees that I don't have to go to plan B on these jobs. So he wants me to go by there and see if I can get by with plan A and rebuild it without any problems. But like I said, there's no way of telling until you get in there and start wrenching on this stuff what's going to happen. I mean, I told him I left my crystal ball at home. So go to plan A. Plan A works good. If not, then we're going to go to plan B or C to get the thing fixed. I mean, it's just how things roll here. Sometimes there's no rhyme or reason to this shit. Just let's loose. Let loose, mama. Oh, man, there. He might be loose as a goose. But anyway, try to get you some shots when I get there. He's working from home, he said. Yeah, he's working from home, Molly. Don't lick her, mama. She's a licker.
That's just some Allegheny rig they did with the original owners.
It's off. Alright, so we gotta change the spout. Gotta get a plate for the bottom there. And rebuild this thing's dripping. Next thing we gotta do is change this all pitted. Whoa. Yeah, it should be the same thing. I think. I'm going to need to put a little bit of this thing was leaking pretty bad, so what we're gonna do here with this thing, plastic handle should come right off. Probably needs a new seat kit. Wow. Yeah, the seats are in tough shape. I had to get them seats out of there. If I can get them out. To number 8. I gotta put a big pipe on the end. Get a little leverage. Wow. Get it out of the wall. Wow. I don't think so. I'm gonna have to get another valve. Holy shit, man. That one was on there. The only problem with this is you squish the shit out of it with it. Put a lot of Gundy on that one. Holy shit. That's a lot. The more you tighten this thing, the tighter it gets, so it's either gonna come out or rip the wall apart. One of the two. Oh man. Yeah. The bottom thing looks fine. Seat kit I got in my truck. In and out of seats. Don't hurt to put a little bit of soft on threads. I wouldn't use pipe dope, but I use this plumber's grease is fine. That's the inner. I did clean that good in there with a wire brush. I don't know, I put a lot of pressure on that. I don't know if it's going to leak or not. We'll find out. I gotta put a new spindle in there. The other one's pretty gnarly, so I'm going to change it. There's a packing nut there also. This one's still got a good gasket on it. I'll have to turn it on and see if it leaks downstairs. It's first floor, so we're good. I put a lot of pressure on that baby. I know that for sure. These you have to really set. Once you put them in, you have to set the gasket. This diverter should be fine. You can see it leaking in there, so. Turn on the water and see what happens. I had to put this in the vise and hit it with a pipe wrench to get it off. I mean, the thing was just She's chooched. To get it off, you have to really give it the how you doing. Alright guys, gonna turn the water on. See if there's any leaks in the wall. Alright, go ahead! Wanted a new plate on the bottom. He wanted a new spout, and we built that. I'm gonna put a lot of pressure on that thing. Look at that thing. I mean, I just really, that was one that was probably leaking right there. I could have rebuilt this, but it's all green. Better off changing it. And the spout. This tub's leaking water downstairs. I bet you this is loose. Yeah, look at this. It's loose. This is the problem. There's a gasket behind there. The thing is loose. That's probably what it was right there. The kids take a bath. No good. I bet you that's the problem. The ceiling's all wet downstairs, stained. Let me try that. I bet you that's on that loose.